Let's eat.
Let's eat.
It's Isy's first time to taste the dragon fruit.
Yummy. See guys, you see? Wow.
What color is this?
Pink.
Pink. How is it? Is you Pinoy? How is it?
Yummy.
Yummy, good? You like it? Good. I will taste.
Yeah.
It's not sweet, but it's just like
May bulbul.
that's ano. That's seeds. Come on, easy. Dali. Ga, ikaw. Ga.
Tablet kayo.
Okay.
Padaros ga.
Enggak.
Seed.
Gusto ko lang lansones. Gusto ko lang lansones. Gusto ko lang lansones. Gusto ko lansones. Gusto ko lansones.
Here, try this.
Huh? Yes, ah. Big or small?
Mansanya mo.
Yeah, it's my first time. First time ko ba dyan? Or try da?
Turn on ang TV.
Dapat ko ni ano mo munduro imong sulda pa.
I-turn on ang TV.
May sabor ta na, no?
I-turn on ang TV. Ano naman gahulog eh.
Munduro na baba mo na. Ang mga saburat mo.
Try ba ga? Ga, try.
Saburan mo. Namin to, tiyan dito.
It's yummy or yucky?
Aso.
Tastes good. It's my first time.
It's first time sugar.
Kasi kami. Mon?
Yummy ka ng balat.
Ano tayo? Saray, no?
Yummy or yucky?
Pwede na rin yan.
Hindi, right?
Oh, bakit tapay di ako? Good. Not too sweet. Bye-bye, guys.
Bye guys. See you tomorrow.